Now let's understand factors influencing the choice of form of business organization with the help of a table. First is the availability of capital. Here most advantageous form is company because here huge amount of capital is available. And the sole proprietorship is the least advantageous because here capital is limited. Second is a cost of formation. Sole proprietorship is most advantageous because very few legal formalities are there, so it's very less costly. Company form is the least advantageous because its formation process is very lengthy and expensive. From ease of formation point of view, sole proprietorship is most advantageous because very few legal formalities you have to follow. And company form is the least advantageous because its registration process is a very expensive and lengthy and complex also. From the point of view of transfer of ownership, company is the most advantageous form because here transfer of ownership is very easy. But remember, in private company it is not permissible. In the case of partnership, it is the least advantageous because here transfer of ownership is not possible. Second, another is a managerial skill. Most advantageous form is a company. Why? Because here professional experts are appointed to manage the company. In the case of sole proprietorship, it's a least advantageous form because only one owner is managing, controlling and managing the whole business. Next is regulations. Here sole proprietorship is the most advantageous. Why? Because they have to follow very few regulations. And company form is the least advantageous. Why? Because they have to follow many rules and regulations which are mentioned in Companies Act 2013. From the flexibility point of view, most advantageous form is a sole proprietorship. Why? Because it is owned, managed and controlled by one person. And company form is least advantageous. Why? Because here management and ownership is separated. Next is a continuity. Here company is a most advantageous form. Why? Because it is not affected by death, retirement or insanity of any members. And sole proprietorship is the least advantageous because it is owned, controlled and managed by only one person. So if anything is happened to the owner, the business may be stopped. And the last one is the liability point of view. Here company is the most advantageous. Why? Because here limited liability is there, and the least advantageous form is sole proprietorship. Why? Because the owner has unlimited liability.